First thing you got to do is go to irs.gov. You know, Uncle Sam, IRS. Yes, irs.gov. Once you get to that site, you'll be looking at this screen and you just simply click apply for an EIN. First thing you got to do that, we're going to go to screen number 2. We will, it tells you the hours of operations and, determine your eligibility, understand the online application, submit your application, whatever. But this is simple stuff, so just move on by clicking apply now, apply online now. It'll take you to screen 3, so we just click begin application. Okay. Now we're at screen 4. You got to choose your business type. This is very important. So as you can see, each business type has a blue link. That means you can click the name of the business type and see its function. You don't want to assume that LLC is for you. Don't do that. Whatever business you are in, you might want to consult with somebody in the alike field, that industry, ask them what type of business type do they have. You do not want to apply for the wrong one. Trust me. It's not going to go well for your business. So this video is for those who their business fit the description of an LLC. So as you can see, LLC is selected. Okay, click that and move on. Okay, screen 5. This tells you about an LLC, a limited liability company. LLC is a structure allowed by the state statute. It's formed by filing articles of organization with the state secretary of state office. Okay. You might want to research about writing an article of organization, for your company, which pretty much is a statement is telling the secretary of state how your company is supposed to be ran, who owns what percentage, if there's more than one member. And a member is a fancy term for a owner. Okay, an owner. Okay, so it must be a unique name, blah, blah, blah. It tells you if there's one member, one owner, it's a single membership, LLC. If it's more than 2, it's a multi-membership, okay? It can have unlimited number of members, but don't forget members are owners, not employees. So anybody that you list as a member, they own some of your business, okay? Also, it says that it can include individuals. A corporation can be an owner of your business, part owner. Another LLC can be a part owner of your organization. Okay, so what LLC is not, some people misuse the term, is limited liability corporation, which is false. It's not a corporation, it's a company. So it's limited liability company. Okay, so we'll click continue once we understand what an LLC is, and we'll go to screen 6. Okay, screen 6 basically shows us, it's asking us how many members, how many owners are there to this business. If there's only one owner, you select 1, you type 1, and you hit continue. Of course, you put your state there where it says select 1, or the state where the business is going to reside. If it's 1, you're a single membership LLC, it's just you. If it's 2 or more, just put the number of the owners, okay, in that box and click next. Okay, so I'm going to show you each window. If you put 1, you see it says single membership, limited liability company, okay? When you apply the single membership LLC, it classifies you a disregarded entity, okay? Then I show you what happens if you type in 2 or more. It's going to say multi-membership. Okay, real simple. Okay. We must initially classify you as a partnership. Okay, so there you go. You got to read where it says, since you're a multi-membership LLC, we must initially classify you as a partnership. Okay, if you don't want to be, then you got to, reach out to whoever. And that is for your tax filing. Okay. Now, when we go to screen number 9, it says, why is the LLC requesting an EIN? So it, you got to choose one of these options. Okay, if you're beginning a new business, some of you are, that's why you are here, you will click that. If you already have a business and you're trying to hire employees, you're successful, your business is booming, you'll click that. If a bank, is you're discussing something with a bank and they want you to have an EIN, you will click that button, which is number 3. If you have a sole proprietorship or some type of corporation, you want to change your entity, your business type, you will click that. Okay. Then we have purchase active business. Okay. So like this, if you are purchasing somebody else's business. Okay. So we are starting a new business, so we click that button. Okay. So the responsible party of the LLC can be either an individual or an existing business. If it's just you, you click individual. So I circle individual for you because that's what we are clicking, and we're moving on. So click individual and then click continue. Then we go to irs.gov. Now, each member of or each owner of that business will have to fill this out individually. You can't fill it out for somebody else. So where it says first name, they're still gonna put the number of owners. So they're all gonna do this individually. Where it says name, you're gonna put your name as the owner, your social security number, last name or whatever else. And then the other owner will apply the same exact way. They'll follow these same steps and they'll put their name here. Okay, so it says choose one. I am one of the owners, members, or the managing member of this LLC. You'll select that. I'm a third party partying for EIN or behalf of LLC. You'll click that. So this is for owners. You guys are owners. You'll click the first option and then click continue. The first option is I am one of the owners or members. Okay. Good so far? All right. So this is where you enter your address. Easy enough. Enter your address. So this is just common sense right here. Okay, and your phone number. I believe that's the business phone number. Okay. Okay, now this is very important. The screen. You want to enter the business name as it is. You don't want to spell it a certain way. If you're sharing ownership and the other business or the other owner spells it their way, you don't want to start that confusion. Okay. So you'll just enter the business name exactly the way you guys thought of it or drew it up. Single membership, same thing. Spell your business correctly here, right? You don't want that problem. Correcting, business names. That's a huge mess. All right. So again, you'll select the start date. It don't have to be today. If you plan on, remember, an EIN is for later use of the business. You don't actually have to have your business running at this point. So if you expect your business to be running in June, select June of 2017. If you want your business, if you think it'll be running in June 2020, hit that. Okay, but that's what that's for. Okay. So let's move on. All right, this screen, you want to answer these questions. If your business fit a yes, you click yes. If it's no, you click no. Real simple. Okay. I'm gonna go further. Okay, so now this is also important. Here's some descriptions of your business that you might be doing. If you could click the link, it'll explain more. Okay. At the very bottom, there's an other option. You can click that and just type in, what it actually is. I had to do that for my business. My business was none of those titles, nothing remotely described it. So I just click other to be safe, and I just explain what my business is. Okay. And the last screen is the confirmation. You're done after this. You just selecting how you want to receive your EIN information.